On November the 5th, 2016, me and some friends witnessed this floating red light in the sky. It was too silent to be a plane or a helicopter, yet too still to be a floating lantern. Yet it didn't budge from its spot as fireworks filled the sky around it. Amazed by the way it kept still in the sky as the wind would blow our fireworks to one side. It was amazing. We watched for about 20 minutes before it ducked out of sight. And as we travelled back home, the light again appeared in my car window, but 5 miles from where we last saw it. It was like it was following us, but yet ever so still in the sky. This video is both clips of the light put together, and I took it from my phone. The next day we checked the papers for any news on this craft, but there was nothing. Some say it's a drone, or was it a UFO with little green men watching our fireworks display? The only evidence of this flying object is the recording from my phone, a grainy video of a red light in the sky. I just don't know. I have an open mind about things like this. What was it? Is there something I am missing? Leave your comments and tell me what you think, as I am interested.